Your formula to success as a trader isn't to try and understand every single technical aspect of how the market works. It's by following a very simple step-by-step process that you can rely on and that ultimately gives you the best edge in the markets. This is the top of a trading range right here. This is the bottom of a trading range right here. If you measure this entire range, you will see that price has come back to 71%. The level between 71% and 88.6% is called an optimal trade entry level. That is a level you can take entries from. If you have anywhere inside your OTE level an area of imbalance or even a breaker block or an order block, you can take these entries with the utmost confidence that this level is going to play out. I like to enter at the 71% level, and as you can see with this level, we hit this imbalance and we mitigated into this breaker block, and then we targeted the bottom of this trading range below, which is sell side liquidity. Start backtesting trading ranges and start backtesting OTE levels and actually have a look at how many times they play out, and I promise you, you will be amazed.